Florida sunshine, lakefront serenity, the lowest HOA fees in Lakewood Ranch. Yes, it exists. Spacious and bright, built for comfort, plus a 3-car garage for all your toys and tools to match your lifestyle. The primary suite has dual walk-in closets, a garden tub, and lake views that'll stop you mid-scroll.
Leave me in a daydream, just you and me, yeah. Stay with me forever, at least for the night. Even when you leave me, lead me to the light. You are my desire, oh, and just the thought of you is keeping me awake. You take me higher, oh, take me away.
Nestled in Lakewood Ranch near top-rated schools, championship golf courses, upscale shopping, all near Gulf Coast pristine beaches. This is the Florida lifestyle.